to make our saline. So guys, please have a look. First of all, you will need water, molasses, salt and a spoon. At first, take half liter of water, boil it and let it be cold. Next, take handful of molasses. After that, take a pinch of salt. Finally, mix with a spoon properly. Can you see? Okay dear, your all saline is ready. Thank you so much for joining us. No more today. Hope to see you again. Bye.